Okay, here's a short answer question. Let's read it. So, student council wants to order 345 t-shirts with the school's logo to sell during a fundraiser. The t-shirt company charges a flat fee of $50 for shipping and a certain amount per t-shirt. Now, this is clearly a partial variation. It's a partial variation. The key words here are $50 flat fee. That's like the initial value, and then here a certain amount per t-shirt, per number of t-shirts ordered. Okay, so there's your multiplication. So this is going to look like this: the total cost, let's make this the x and this is the y. So the total cost is going to be the flat fee, which is $50, they tell us that, plus an amount per t-shirt. So some amount per t-shirt. X is the number of t-shirts. We have to find the price per t-shirt. Now, it's pretty easy to tell from this table that one t-shirt is 50, well, 0 t-shirts is $50. That's the flat fee. That's what the flat fee means. That you have to pay $50 even if you don't order any t-shirts. So that's important because that's the 50 that we're starting with. And then for one t-shirt, it's an extra 5. Another t-shirt, an extra 5, an extra 5, an extra 5. So that's our rule. So the rule is y equals, the cost equals, let's write it like this, $5 per t-shirt plus $50 flat fee. Now, if I want to calculate how much it will cost for 345 t-shirts, well, all you have to do is plug in the 345 in here, and you can just calculate it. So $5 for 345 t-shirts plus the $50 flat fee, and that's going to be, just multiply 5 times 345 equals plus 50 equals $1,775, and that's your answer, $1,775. Okay, that's your answer. And there you go, that's your answer. So let me write that a little nicer. 1775. Another type of question you can get, 1775. What if I give you an amount for the cost, and you have to figure out how many t-shirts were ordered? So let's say I give you an amount over here. So let's say $3,450. And how many t-shirts did I order if the total cost was $3,450? Well, all you have to do is remove the flat fee and then divide by $5 each, right? So I would just do 3,450 minus the flat fee. So I can just divide this by $5 per t-shirt divided by 5, and it's 680 t-shirts. So that's just another way they can ask you the question. If they give you the dollar amount, you have to work backwards, where you do the opposite of the rule. You do subtract the flat fee and then divide by the price per t-shirt.